A few days ago, I went to the art store to buy an eraser, and then I saw that they were selling some crazy inks, so I thought, I should try this for a video. The only bad thing is that they were expensive as shit, but me, I got them anyways. For this doodle, I decided to also face my artistic fear and draw a realistic portrait, so don't be surprised if the final result looks like that. To be honest, this wasn't as difficult as I thought it would be. I'm really enjoying drawing this crazy portrait. Holy shit!
Sexy sponge, Thanos purple, radioactive straight, desaturated Thanos, bright Elmo.
Yo.
Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going.
I'm gonna leave some of the clips at normal speed, cause this is satisfying as f. So I think you will enjoy it a lot.
Staying ready for the Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try to catch me when I pull up in a zoom. Ooh, driving by the shore.
Yeah, and my palette was really dirty, so let's clean it real quick.
I heard about your resume. Skirt, open up the sesame. Word,
Yeah.
oh no, don't pressure
Let's
me.
get it.
Yeah, ooh, yeah, roll out with the referee. Yeah, I'm turning left now. Burn, yeah, the rubber's on my chest now.
Okay, it is time to color. I actually had no idea on how to color it, so I asked boy Vexx, and this is what he told me. Thanks a lot, bro. So, let's just jump right into it. So me and ZHC did a collaboration in his channel, so go check that out to know what you have to do to win the giveaway.